Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Loom So Po near Fabricate Shillong, Ringkat bat ka Victorium, ka Dukan ki Tiar Kilan Met, ka Babhatam Hakador ka Babit, Hanong Thumai Old Beat House Shillong.
Ringkat lang bat ka pertai barok kawai ka Jylla Meghalaya ru menta ka sngi ka arpu sautrik unail ber arajar arpuway kala Rakhe ya ka World Tuberculosis Day. Da ka papentrai kam ya ka National Tuberculosis Elimination Program ka badai ka thong ba ka Sarkar India kalabo hakmat ban rat dingkong bat ban penduk jan ya ka jingpang tuberculosis. Habakren kumukong san umenteri katanat ka koit ka khia uba Alexander Elhek uloong bakadon kam ya ka jingi trailang jong ki nong mi khmat paj ba akum ki MP ki MLA bat ya ki Deputy Commissioner jong ki district bapher ki badon hapok ka Jylla ban ya trailang bat ki dorbar snong na ka benta ban rat dingkong ya ka ni ka jingpang baka Sarkar pedeng kalabo thong ban penduk jan hapok usnam arajar arpusan.
We have two launching today for benefit of the people of our states.
It is my privilege to give the keynote address today, the 24th March 2021, because on this auspicious day, the World TB Day, we are launching this very important plan to be implemented in the state to achieve a TB-free state. Achieving state target of TB elimination by 2025 needs a multi-sectoral approach and commitment from the higher authorities up to the grassroots level and community at large. So, objective of TB-free plan to reduce the incidence rate to 44 per lakh by 2025 and to reduce mortality rate to 3 per lakh by 2025 and zero catastrophic cause by 2025. So, strategies for TB elimination in Meghalaya. With a vision to make Meghalaya a TB-free state by 2025, strategies were planned to be adopted by all the districts. The plan envisioned a collective responsibility to all the public sector, private sector, corporate sector, and community. None unless political, administrative commitment are the pillars in achieving TB-free state.
Tuberculosis Elimination Program, NTEP, under the Department of the Health and Family Welfare, is observing the World Tuberculosis Day on today, the 24th day of March 2021, along with the rest of the world. The theme this year is "The Clock is Ticking." But for Meghalaya, it's not only the clock is ticking, it is the time is flying. The time also is very short for us. So tuberculosis still remains the major health problem in the state and the country as a whole. It is also a disease with high mortality rates among the infectious disease in our states. Not only in our state and also in our country. So the Honorable Prime Minister of India, Sri Narendra Modi, in 2018 has committed to end TB by 2025. 5 years ahead of the Sustainable Developmental Goal, we are racing against time. That's why I'm saying the time is flying. With 4 years left to achieve our goal, I would like to call upon all the stakeholders, like the Rotary Club of Shillong, which have done immense contribution and services to the people, the development partners, civil society organizations, research institutions, the private sector, and many others whose work is relevant to TB eliminations, to kindly give your best effort in these missions. I would like also to call upon the citizens of the state for their active support to the program for this cause. Active community participation will lead to a victory to our battle against tuberculosis. I am very much delighted to be a part of this great endeavor in our state in launching of the Meghalaya State's strategic plan to eliminate TB by 2025. The strategy is a great potential for partnership with the different stakeholders, maximum utilization of technology testing tools and never drugs. The vision for the tuberculosis-free determines to decrease the TB burden in terms of incident rates by 44 lakhs, mortality rate by 3 per lakhs, and reducing the catastrophic cost due to the tuberculosis by 2025. And also, we want also to involve the local representative, like the MLA, the MP, Rajya Sabha, Lok Sabha. There they know better what is the problem, the issue they are facing by the people of their constituency. So there also will have to be active, the active support from the local representative for how to eliminate the tuberculosis from our states. So to conclude this, I would like to assure the program that the government will provide all the necessary support to help whenever needed for reaching this goal. So I also once again, since the representative have a deep understanding of the demography about the people in respective constituency, so their active role or active participation also is very important. That's why we appeal not only the stakeholder, not only the institution, not only the NGOs, even the local representative also to involve actively how to eliminate the tuberculosis from the state.